wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best budget drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The relatively short range of the Syma X20 means it's not ideal for flying outdoors, but as it measures just about 4 inches across, it is perfect for indoor use. The optional headless mode makes it a good choice for beginners. It comes with 6-axis control and an altitude hold function. However, the battery doesn't last long. At number 9, the camera built into the snaptain SP650 offers a 120-degree field of view and can rotate up to 90 degrees to help you get the shot you want. It's got 3 speeds and can land, take off and return to the pilot at the push of a button. It's equipped with voice and gesture control and includes 2 batteries, but its video is limited to just 25 frames per second. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Capable of pulling off aerial acrobatics and entertaining stunts with relative ease, the Holy Stone HS190 is as fun to fly as it is affordable. With its foldable design and compact controller, it can be tucked into a backpack to accompany you wherever you roam. This one's good for beginners and includes a 1-key return. However, it doesn't have blade guards. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for budget drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, ideal for students and budding engineers, the Ryze tello allows for customization using various programming languages. It can connect via Wi-Fi and is available in a combo pack that includes 3 batteries, a charger and an extra set of blades. It's roughly 4 inches across and boasts a top speed of 18 miles per hour, but its video quality is subpar. Moving up our list at number 6, weighing barely more than half an ounce, the Blade Nano QX features a patented sensor-assisted flight envelope system for maintaining its orientation and trajectory even if you're a bit uncomfortable at the controls, making it a good choice for inexperienced pilots. It's equipped with resilient blade guards and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. However, note that it doesn't come with a transmitter. Halfway up our list at number 5. Capable of fitting in the palm of your hand, the Sky Viper Dash is about as small as they come. It's lightweight and relatively resilient for something made almost entirely out of plastic, and it should be able to withstand a few crashes here and there. This is an inexpensive option that offers 8 one-touch stunts and both automatic and manual modes. At number 4, the snaptain S5C allows you to control it with your voice or to program a path. It comes with 2 lithium polymer batteries that combined can keep it in the air for up to 20 minutes before needing a recharge. It features an intuitive smartphone app, a helpful gravity sensor, and a video resolution of 1280 by 720. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Though it's modeled after an extremely popular high-end line of copters, the Holy Stone HS100 doesn't cost very much for an option that offers full HD resolution and a range of 500 meters. Conveniently, it returns to home on its own if its battery starts to die. The camera adjusts up to 90 degrees, and it offers a 120-degree field of view and a flight time of 15 minutes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for budget drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, while it is priced at the high end of the spectrum, the DJI Mavic Mini is the least costly model from this renowned manufacturer and delivers low latency, a long range, and a longer than average flight time. It's equipped with 3-axis motorized gimbal and provides an almost 3K video quality. It weighs just about 250 grams. And coming in at number 1 on our list, despite its low price, the snaptain SP510 performs nearly as well as some models that cost 2 or 3 times as much. Its integrated camera can record at up to 2976 by 1680 resolution, and it can fly for over 15 minutes before needing a recharge. It boasts a 1-button takeoff and landing and an automatic return to home, and it folds down to a compact size. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for budget drones, or simply click beneath this video.